Student, I hope you all are fine. This is your week 5th assignment. In day 5 lecture we will discuss about the contraction of material. In the previous lecture we discussed about the expansion of material, and today we will discuss about the contraction of material. Objective: student will be able to explain the concept of contraction, or you will be able to explain the concept of contraction with the help of example. Expansion and contraction of gases. First of all, gases, when the expansion of gases, when the gas is heated, the molecule gain more energy and move faster and further apart. This causes the volume to increase. Okay, this is the space between the molecules. So that when the space is occur between the gases molecule, so that is why they expand, or this process is called expansion. Contraction of gases: at a lower temperature, the molecule have moved slower and have less energy. They close together, causing the volume to decrease. Okay, contraction of gases: these molecule contract or get smaller and move slower because at a lower temperature the molecule have moved slower and have less energy, because they closer together and causing to volume decrease, and their volume is less or decrease due to the contraction of gases. Contraction: when the material are cooled, the atoms and molecules lose energy. Expansion: when heated the material, and contraction: when the material are cooled, the atoms and molecule energy lose energy or decrease the energy. They move closer to each other. In the expansion, the molecule far apart with each other, but in contraction the molecules closer to each other, and as a result in contraction of the solid or liquid or gas. When the material are cooled, the atom and molecules lose energy. They move closer together, and as a result in contraction of the solid, liquid or gas. Okay, your today's homework is read the lecture carefully and write important points on loose sheets. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.